ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಾವೂರು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅದಿರು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಟೌನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದಿನಿಂದ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಚೆಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಾವೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅದಿರು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಚೆಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ 100 ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಜೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಚೆಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯ ಸಮಾರೋಪ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅದಿರು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
I'm happy to say that today we are conducting second round of the state country level Kudurmukh Trophy. KOS adapted the chess as like Indian game, like a KOS game is chess. The second year we are going to conduct this game continuously. This increases the thinkingness and planning of the children. It is useful to their future, their life also. We are going to conduct continuously in the planned way. This total 2 days program. We have made all the arrangements for the students and their parents, starting from food and medical facilities. I hope that it is going to definitely improve the children's thinking power. And next number 2, regarding CSR, the company this year is going to spend a very big amount. Our idea to spend near project areas towards education, medical, and of the social life of the needy people also. So this year we are going to spend around 2 crore rupees for the CSR purpose, near blast furnace area and plant plant, and also Kudurmukh and also Bangalore area also. Our expansion, it is going to start shortly. Now it is on the last stage of started the clearances, modernization of blast furnace and of course Devadari mine development. Blast furnace modernization will start very early. Devadari mines may take little some more time because still the file is a little stuck up at district level. We expect that all the projects will be going to start before March, that is before complete the finance.